Hello, my name is Jason Miller, founder of AspenNow Solutions, and we're about to unlock the power of ServiceNow. I'd like to start off by thanking all 1,470 subscribers in over 62 countries. If you're new to the channel and you believe in transferring knowledge globally to those who need it most, please click subscribe right here. I want to note one thing, in that over the last year, since AspenNow was created on October 1st, 2017, there's been quite a bit of growth here, and as you can see, we're at about 187,000 minutes watched, and the channel just continues to keep growing. So I'd like to thank everyone out there. And one thing I wanted to note was that India is giving the U.S. a good run for its money. Just wanted to thank everyone out there globally for subscribing and viewing the channel. So again, if you're new, just click subscribe. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the need or the requirement to create a user from this caller ID field right here. So we're going to have to do a couple of things here. So basically the setup is this. Rumor has it that both Drizzy and Kanye are going to show up at the same place at the same time. So there could be an incident, right? So we want to be able to create them on the fly in case they do show up. And, there might be an incident, like I said. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to this caller field, and we're going to right click, and then you're going to see right here this configure dictionary. So we're going to click right in there, and I'm logged in as an admin. I believe you can do this with personalized dictionary, I think is the role that you could have to do this also. So it's in the documentation. You can look it up there. But basically, this is admin functionality. So we're going to come in here to this caller ID field. Then we're going to click dynamic creation, and we're going to add these 2 lines of script right here. And I'll let you take a look at that. Won't dwell on it too much. Just you can copy that for yourself. Then we're going to create a script include. So come down here to system definition, click script includes, and then something like this will open up. You can click new, and this is what appears before you. And then I'm just going to give you everything here. So it's going to be called MyUserReferenceCreator. And again, this is in the documentation, so you can reference this and look it up there too. And I just put in the description here, allows us to create users from the incident form caller field. Here's our script. Sometimes I like to use this description field if I have like an older version of the script. I know you can find it down here in versions, but it kind of saves me time because some people will comment stuff out like that. Or what you can do is comment this way too, in case you're not an expert with scripting, which I'm surely not, but I know this much in order to comment like this stuff out right here. But we're going to make all this active. So this is our script include. If you need the exact text and you need me to copy and paste it and send it to you, I have no problems doing that. All you got to do is reach out. So one thing before we get to show you how it works, I want to note that Third Republic, our sponsor, is looking for an orchestration SME. So here's the listing, and then this is the URL right here. These are the details, and then at the very bottom is the contact information for Brad Potter. Brad's a great guy, and Third Republic is your best-in-class solution in the UK and Europe for all your ServiceNow staffing needs. So you can reach out to him if you feel that you or someone you know is qualified for that role. And they're always looking for developers, so feel free to contact Brad. So let's see how this works. So right here we have Yeezy Kanye put in there. I'm going to refresh this form, and we're going to put in Drizzy Drake first, and not 2 I's, 2 Z's. So Drizzy Drake's in here, and now it's going to tell us a new record with this value will be created automatically. Great, that's what we want. So in our description here, there could be trouble because Drizzy and Kanye are in the same building, right? So we'll hit save on that. And now what I'll do is go over here to our sysuser table, and the way to get there is to go to user administration, users, and now I'll refresh this list, and now we'll see Drizzy Drake appears right here. So if we wanted to go back, and let's say we want to do another one, incident.do, and then you know what I'm going to do just to save time? I'm going to copy this. We could also copy the incident too. So let's try that. Okay, that probably makes it easier for us, right? So Yeezy, Kanye, and then it's going to tell us here. So it did that little search over there, and now it's telling us again. All right. And now we'll go over here and refresh. And there you have it. Now, one thing about this is that the user ID wasn't created and a lot of other details, but this gets us a record entry, which we can go ahead and fill out later. So, and again, for VIPs like Drizzy, you know, he probably doesn't want to give you his phone number or his email address. So that's our lesson for today. My name's Jason Miller, founder of AspenNow Solutions, and you just unlocked the power of ServiceNow.